Okay. Solve. Solve y double dash. Solve y double dash plus 3 into y dash plus 2y is equal to cos hx is equal to cos hx. Okay, this is your assignment problem, 24th problem. Okay, some changes in the assignment. So that 22nd problem in assignment, you change that as instead of minus 3 dy by dx, you change it as plus 3 dy by dx. Everything is same. 22nd problem is d cube y by dx cube minus 3 into d square y by dx square plus there is a minus in the assignment, you change it as plus 3 dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Remaining it is same, only you change minus 3 dy by dx as plus 3 dy by dx, that's it. Next, this is also your assignment question problem. Okay, so first we have to simplify this. So d square is y double dash is nothing but what?
D square.
D
square by dx square.
D square y by dx square. Okay, d square y by dx square is y double dash plus 3 into y dash is nothing but dy by dx plus 2y is equal to cos hx. So what is cos h theta? Hyperbolic in terms of exponential. What is cos hx? E power x plus of e power minus x divided by 2. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that concept I am using here, cos hx. In place of cos hx, I am writing it as e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. Okay. So somebody is joining now. Okay, right. So next. So how we can write d square y by dx square as capital D square y, correct, plus 3 into dy plus 2y is equal to, we can write this as 1 by 2 into e power x plus e power minus x. What next? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Take y common in the LHS, it becomes d square plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to 1 by 2 into e power x plus e power minus x. Now it is looks like f of d into y is equal to phi of x. Okay, f of d into y is equal to phi of x. So now, so since it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous?
Non-homogeneous.
Non-homogeneous. For non-homogeneous differential equation, solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Okay, yc plus yp. You call this as equation 1. First you find out yc, then go for yp. So to find yc, consider the auxiliary equation. Correct? Huh? Consider auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation for this?
M square plus
M square y
plus
Don't write y. Don't write y.
is
So
equals
here
to
what
0.
we have f of d, right? So in f of d, just you replace d by m, then equate to 0. That's it. Okay, that is m square
plus
plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Compulsory should write 0. So now we have to find out roots for that, right? So how to find the roots? So is it possible to factorize? Is it possible to factorize? So m square into 2, here m square into 2 is 2m square. So it can be written as 2m into 1m. Okay, product of these two should be 2m square and addition of these two will be middle term. So therefore it can be written as m square plus 1m plus 2m equal plus 2 equal to 0. So then take m common, m plus 1 plus take 2 common, m plus 1 is equal to 0. So then since m plus 1 is common, so take m plus 1 common. What we left with?
M plus 2.
M plus 2 is equal to 0. It is like A into B equal to 0. A into B equal to 0 means either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Therefore, m plus 1 is equal to 0 means what is m?
Minus 1.
M plus 2 equal to 0 means what is m?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Therefore, since it is a second order differential equation, how many roots we should get?
2.
2 roots. So we got minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2 are real and what?
Distinct.
Real and distinct. Real and distinct. Therefore, YC by using case 1, YC can be written as C1 e power minus 1x plus C2 e to the power of minus 2x. Correct? Huh? Is it right? Next.
Yes,
After
ma'am.
finding YC, what we should find?
Beta
YP.
YP. We should find YP. Okay. To find YP, YP is equal to phi of x by f of t. Okay. This is a formula what we have to consider to find YP. So phi of x. What is phi of x? 1 by 2 into e power x plus e power
Plus
minus
E power minus 6.
divided by f of t. Okay. Next, I want to simplify the RHS first. So we obtain yp is equal to 1 by 2. You can keep it out. So e power x by f of d plus e power minus x by f of t. Okay. So now substitute. So 1 by 2 into e power x by what is f of d?
D square
D
plus
square
3
plus DD plus 2.
This is our f of d. Okay, substitute that value here. D square plus 3d plus 2. Okay, plus e power minus x by f of d is d square plus 3d plus 2. So it is numerator is like what? Numerator is like
Same.
E power
not
x.
same, e power ax form. Okay. If
A is
numerator
equals to
is like
1.
e power ax form, so what is a?
1.
1.
1. E power ax. In place of a we have 1. So it is of type 1 problem. Okay. So if the numerator is e power ax form, then the procedure is we have to put d is equal to a. Here a is 1. Okay. Put d equal to a, that is 1. So here also it is numerator is also in the form of e power ax. So if the numerator is of the form e power ax, we have to replace d by a. So here what is a?
1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Be careful. It is minus 1. Therefore now yp become 1 by 2 is outside only. E power x divide by replace d by 1 here. So 1 square is 1 plus 3
0.
into 1 is 3 plus
3.
here 2. Next plus e power minus x divide by minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. Okay. So it is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. Here minus 1 square is plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 is plus 3. Sorry, plus 1 plus 2 is plus 3 plus 3 minus 3 is what?
0.
0.
Denominator we got it 0. But in the first term denominator is not 0. So it is 1 by 2 into e power x by 6 plus e power minus x divided by since it is 0, since denominator
Multiply
is 0,
numerator into
multiply numerator by x and consider the denominator
F
as
dash
f
d.
dash of d. Okay, this is a procedure what we have to follow. So next 1 by 2 into e power x by 6 plus x into e power minus x divided by, since what is our f of d? What is our f of d?
2D.
What
2d
f
plus
of d is
3.
what? F of d is d square f
D
of
plus
d is
3.
d square plus 3d plus 2. Okay, this is our f of d. You differentiate this with respect to d. What's the differentiation of d square?
2D.
2d plus 3 into what's the differentiation of d?
3.
1.
3 into 1
1.
plus what is the differentiation of 2?
0.
0.
0.
0.
What is f dash of d? d is 2d plus
3.
2d
3.
as 2d plus 3. Okay. Actually, for the next step, you don't consider x. X is what we multiply. This is an extra term. We should keep it out. Now, this is our actually we have to simplify this. Now, it is like e power ax by f of d type 1. So, what is a here? What is a?
-1.
Minus 1 only. Don't consider x. Don't consider x for the further simplification. X should be as it is. So as numerator is like e power ax, the same procedure we are following. Replace d by a. What is a? -1. Okay. Therefore we obtain which is equal to 1 by 2 into e power x by 6 plus x into e power minus x divided by 2 into -1 plus 3. What you got?
1.
1.
That is -2
1.
plus 1 is 1. Therefore, our yp become, what is our yp now? Yp is equal to 1 by 2 into e power x by 6 plus e power minus x into e power minus x by 1. Correct?
1.
Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are clear in finding yp?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore,
Ma'am?
general solution is yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain after the denominator is 0, ma'am?
If suppose your yp is equal to e power ax by f of d, okay. If your denominator, so if it is of this kind, we have to replace d by a, okay na. So we have to replace d by a. Then I am telling general procedure here. E power ax by f of a. You are replacing d by a. Suppose the denominator is 0 after replacing d by a, then multiply numerator by x and consider f dash of d in the denominator. In this problem, our f of d, what is our f of d in this problem? D square plus 3d plus 7
2.
2. Okay. So now differentiate. What is f dash of d? Differentiation of d square is 2d plus 3. Differentiation of 2 is 0. So this I consider here. So for this problem, x into e power minus x divided by 2d plus 3 I consider. So next same procedure we have to follow for this one, not considering x. Okay, for the further simplification, x you can keep it out. Next here it is like e power ax by f of d form. Again put d is equal to a. Okay, here a is same procedure -1. Put d equal to -1. So we obtain minus x by 2 into -1 plus 3. So now we obtained e power minus x by -2 plus 3 is 1. So x into x we should retain it. X into e power minus x by 1. So that's what I written here. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Next, therefore y is equal to substitute. What we got yc? C1 e power
C1 e to the power of minus x.
plus C2 e power minus 2x.
If f of a is 0,
Yes. Hello. Hello.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if f of a is 0, ma'am, every time we need to multiply x in the numerator, ma'am.
Yes. If first time, if you replace d by a, if you get denominator is 0, multiply numerator by x and consider denominator as f dash of d. So in suppose after replacing in the denominator d by a again, if instead of getting 1, if you get 0, so for the next step you should multiply again numerator by x, it becomes x square. X square into phi of x by f double dash of d you should consider. Double differentiation of f of d you should consider. Like that it will continue until you get denominator not 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Did you clear this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we go for the next problem then?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am.
Yes.
Shall I move to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now take down the fourth problem. Take down the fourth problem. Solve. D square y by dx square. D square y by dx square minus 4y is equal to cos h 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x. Okay, come to the solution. So we can write the given differential equation by using d. How we can write? D square
D square y
minus 4y is equal to cos h 2x minus 1 plus 3 power x. Now we can take y common. This is the next step. Take y common. D square minus 4 into y. So as we know that by the previous problem, hyperbolic in terms of exponential. It is like cos hx. Okay, what is cos hx? E power x. In place of x we have 2x minus 1 plus e to the power of minus x. Instead of x we have minus of 2x minus 1 by 2. So you can write the formula in one side of the notebook that cos h theta, or you can write cos hx, no problem. E power theta plus of e power minus theta whole divided by 2. Okay, this you have to use.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how to consider that cos hx, ma'am? What is the formula?
So this is a formula what I written. So how you got this one means we have the infinite series for e power x. Okay, and infinite series for e power, if you know infinite series for e power x, so in that e power x, if you replace x by minus x, by adding those two, you will get the cos h theta formula. Okay, so now you just remember this result. In the third sem, we have a complex analysis that we are going to derive this one. Okay, I think you studied this in your PU level, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Hyperbolic.
ma'am.
Yes, you studied already this in your PU level. Cos hx is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Okay. Instead of theta, we have 2x minus 1. Just in place of theta, I written 2x minus 1. So next.
We have to just substitute to that formula, no, ma'am?
Yes, just substitute in this formula. Instead of hyperbolic, I am written hyperbolic in terms of exponential. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And also we know that a power x. Can you write a power x in terms of exponential?
A power log x.
E power log a into x. Okay, this also you write these two formula in one side of your notebook. Okay, in that page you write in one side, right side corner.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is like a power x. We know that a power x is e power log a into x. So it can be written as e power log 3 into x. Okay. So now each and every term containing exponential term. So therefore now it is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of x form. Since it is non-homogeneous, So our general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. We should find both yc and yp. Call it as equation 1. Next, to find yc, these are the procedure and the steps you should compulsory follow. To find yc, consider the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation means here we have f of d. In f of d, replace d by m and equate to 0. That will be our auxiliary equation. So m square minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now find the roots for this. M square minus 4 equal to 0, then m square equal to 4, and what is m?
XR
2.
minus 2.
So
Plus or minus 2. Compulsory you should have 2 roots because the given differential equation is of order 2. You should have 2 roots. So one is plus 2 and another one is minus 2. Since roots are real and distinct, correct? Roots are both are real and distinct. Distinct means separate, not equal. Roots are real and not equal. Real and not equal, or you can say distinct, not equal. Therefore, by using case 1, we can write yc as c1 e power 2x plus what?
C2 e to the power
E2 e
minus
power
2x.
minus 2x.
Okay, now we got yc. Next, we have to find out yp. Okay, next, to find yp, consider yp in the form yp is equal to phi of x by f of d. Okay, phi of x by f of d. Next, yp is equal to phi of x means RHS. What is the RHS we have?
E power 2x minus 1
1 by 2 equal
minus of 2x
minus 2x minus 1 by 2 plus e to the power of log 3x.
Is it right what I written? Is it right? I kept 1 by 2 outside. So 1 by 2 into e power 2x minus 1 plus I multiplied by minus sign. E power minus 2x minus into minus plus 1 plus. So e power log 3 into x. Next I am going to split the numerator like 1 by 2 into e power 2x minus 1 by f of d. Okay, plus e power minus 2x plus 1 by f of d plus e power log 3 into x by f of d. Okay, you call this as equation number 2. You find these 3 values separately and substitute here. Then it become easy for you. Okay, consider this as equation number 2. Now consider one term separately, then find the value. Right? Next consider. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next consider first term e power 2x minus 1 by f of d. Now go for simplification. So e power 2x minus 1 by what is f of d? What is f of d?
Square
D
minus
square minus 4.
D square minus 4.
D square
Now it is
minus
like,
4.
now it is like e power ax into f of, e power ax by f of d. What is there in place of a? Don't bother about this one. So we can apply type 1. We can apply type 1 for e power ax plus b form. Okay. So here a is 2. Coefficient of x is 2. So put d equal to what?
2.
2.
2. D equal to a equal to 2. Therefore, now this become e power 2x minus 1 by 2 square minus 4. What is 2 square?
4.
4. 4 minus 4 is what?
0.
So denominator is 0. Since denominator is 0, now multiply numerator by x. Consider the denominator as f dash of d. Okay. Now it become which is equal to x into e power 2x minus 1 by. Since what is our f of d? What we got our f of d?
D
F
square
of d
minus
is
D square
D square minus 4.
f of d is d square minus 4. Then what is f dash of d?
2D.
2D.
2D minus 0, that is 2D. So now it becomes 2D. Okay. Now put D equal to what?
2.
2.
D equal to
Two.
A equal to 2. Okay. So therefore we obtain e to the power of 2x minus 1 by f of d is equal to x into e power 2x minus 1 by 2 into 2. Otherwise, since 1 by d, what is 1 by d stands for? So d is d by dx. Okay, d is d by dx. 1 by d is nothing but integration. Okay, integration with
1 by
respect to
d
x.
by dx.
1 by, no. D is differentiation. 1 by d is nothing but integration. Here, so instead of substituting d equal to a,
Madam?
you can integrate it. Yes? Hello?
Ma'am, how we got d equal to 2, ma'am? Can you explain again?
Replace d by a. We have to replace d by a. What is a here?
2, ma'am. Acha.
Same procedure we are following. So
Okay.
we are not bothering about x because that is an extra term what we multiplied. So that will not come to our further simplification. Okay. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Yes. Otherwise 1 over d is nothing but integration. Integration of this one. What is integration of e power ax?
Ma'am, a power ax log.
No.
Log
A to the integration of e power ax is e power ax by a only. Correct? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
E power ax integration is e power ax by a.
Okay,
I am
ma'am.
not talking about integration of a power x. E power ax. Integration of e power ax is e power ax by a. Correct? So here
Yes, ma'am.
if you integrate this one with respect to x, integration of e power ax plus b is e power ax plus b divided by a only. Okay. See, as I told you that 1 over d stands for the integration. You can keep x by 2 outside. Then you can integrate e power 2x minus 1 with respect to x because we have 1 over d. So you will get e power 2x minus 1 by 2 only. Both are same. Okay. So here you do like this only.
Yes,
Put d
ma'am.
equal to a. Don't bother about that integration. That will come later. Okay. So now our answer is x into e power 2x minus 1 by what? 4.
4.
Correct? Yeah? So now we got
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer for the first term. Next we have to simplify the second term. Okay, you should remember it. Now I am going for the new page. Okay, you have to tell me these two terms. So I am not going to save this page. So I am going to the new page. Okay. Yes. If I save also, I don't know where it is going to save. Okay, desktop we will see. I will give that number as 1. Then we can open. If it is possible, we can open. Okay, right. Next, come to the second one. What is the second one? Now consider
E to the power minus
e
2x
power
plus
minus
1
2x plus
by
Minus
f of
2x
t.
plus 1.
e power minus 2x plus 1 by f of t. This we have to simplify
F
now.
of t.
So now which is equal to e to the power of minus 2x plus 1 by f of d is nothing but d square minus 4. Correct?
Minus 4.
So now it is like e power ax plus b form. So we have to replace d by what? Put d equal to what?
Minus
A.
2.
Put d equal to a, which is equal to minus 2. So we obtain e power minus 2x plus 1 by minus 2 whole square plus 4. What is minus 2 whole square? Sorry, minus 2 whole square minus 4. What is minus 2 whole square?
4.
4.
4. 4 minus 4 is what?
0.
0.
0. Now we got denominator 0. If denominator is 0, multiply numerator by x. Okay, multiply numerator by x, then consider the denominator as f dash of d. Now which is equal to x into e power minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 divide by what is f dash of d?
2D.
2D.
2d. Okay, so now you can keep x by 2 outside. Next we have to simplify this one. It is like e power ax by f of t. So type 1, put d equal to what?
-2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Therefore we obtain e power minus 2x plus 1 divided by f of t as, which is equal to x into e power minus 2x plus 1 by 2 into minus 2. Therefore, so that is 2 into minus 2 is what? Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
That minus I will keep in the numerator. Minus x into e power minus 2x plus 1 divided by 4 I got. Okay, did you clear this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, consider the last term. Last term is what? E to the power of log 3
Log
into
3x
x
into x.
Log 3x.
by f of t. Okay, no? Into by f of t, which is equal to e to the power of log 3 into x by f of t. F of t is what? T square minus 4. So now it is like e power ax by f of t, type 1. In type 1, replace d by what?
Log 3.
A.
Log 3.
Log 3. Therefore, our solution is e to the power of log 3 into x divided by log 3 whole square minus 4. Denominator is not 0, therefore this will be our solution. Now substitute all these values in yp. Okay, now equation 2 become yp is equal to, what is the solution for first term? X into e power 2x minus 1 by, I think 4,
4. Yes, ma'am.
4 plus second term minus, so plus into minus, minus, you change it as minus x e to the power of minus 2x plus 1 divided by 4. Correct, huh?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it? Okay. Come to the third term. Third term, e to the power of log 3 into x divided by log 3 whole square minus 4. So next, one step simplification I will do. So I will keep 2 outside the denominator. So anyhow 4 is there, only I am keeping x common in the numerator and 2 common in the denominator. I will keep another 2 in the denominator only. So it becomes e power 2x minus 1 minus e power, I will take minus common in this term, minus of 2x minus 1 divide by 2. Okay, no? Take LCM
Ma'am,
as 4.
first two terms 1 by 2 is outside is there, ma'am.
So, okay, 1 by 2 is there, correct. 1 by 2 is there, right. So it becomes 4, huh? No. Okay. Is it clear what I did? So I took LCM as 4. In the denominator I took LCM 4. In that 4 only 2 I took outside and remaining 2 I retained in the denominator. Numerator is I took x as common, then e power 2x minus 1 as it is. Here I took minus common in the power. So it becomes minus of 2x minus 1. So plus. So e to the power of log 3 into x is nothing but 3 power x only, correct? It is 3 power x only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how did you take
Ah,
minus, ma'am? Minus 1 by 2?
where is minus 1 by 2? This one,
Ma'am, here, ma'am, minus. 1 by 2 is there in that formula itself, ma'am. Here, ma'am. E to the
Formula.
power minus 2x minus 1 minus.
This one,
Yes, ma'am. Because we got plus. Not that, ma'am. Not that one, ma'am. Before that, ma'am.
this one, here, x by 4,
Ma'am, e to the power 2x minus 1 minus, ma'am. After that, post that we have minus sign, no, ma'am. It should be plus, no, ma'am.
This one minus only, no? Here we have minus. Second term we have minus.
Ma'am, it's
Here we
minus
have-
of minus.
Yes. Minus only, ma'am. Minus 4
It is
will come.
minus. It is minus.
Minus
Here we have plus, alva.
Okay.
In
ma'am.
equation 2, here we have plus. See equation 2. Plus or minus we have?
Plus, ma'am.
Minus,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I thought it's minus, ma'am. It's correct, ma'am.
Plus. Plus into minus is what? Minus only, no?
Minus.
It is minus. Okay. It is minus. So here I consider minus only. Correct? Now it is clear?
Yes, ma'am. I thought in the equation 2 it's minus, ma'am. That's why.
No. Plus. Okay, right. So next we know that cos hx is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. This we know. Correct? What is sin hx? What is sin hx?
E power x minus e power minus x by 2.
Okay, so shall I write this as sin h of 2x minus 1 numerator and including
Yes,
denominator?
ma'am.
So that
Yes.
is x by 4 into sin h instead of x we have, what we have instead of x? 2x minus
2x
1
minus
plus 3 power x by log 3 whole to the power of x minus 4. This is our yp. Did you clear yp?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Is
Ma'am,
there any
how
doubt?
3 power x by log 3. How did you get 3 power x, ma'am?
3 power x we written as e to the power of log 3 into x, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that I rewritten.
It's back now. Okay.
Yes, I written it back because it is simple to write. That's why. Or you can retain e power log 3 into x as it is, no problem. Okay.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are clear up to
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt in finding yc and yp for this problem?
No, ma'am.
No. So whatever I am writing the formula, right, you should write in one side of your that page which problem you are solving. No, in that problem, in one side of right corner you should write that particular formula. Okay, then only you can understand. Now you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
understand. Yes.
Ma'am, 2x minus 1 is value of a, no ma'am. Why did you substitute in x place, ma'am?
No.
Sin hx.
Sin hx. X is completely inside. See, e power x, power of e. What is power of e? 2x minus 1 completely. You can take this as just theta also, no problem. E power theta minus e power minus theta. Okay, na?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Then further, any clarification required? Did you clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we got yp and yc. After finding yp and yc, what we should do?
Substitute in the value of y.
Y is equal to yc plus yp.
Substitute in equation 1. Correct? Huh? Shall I substitute in equation 1?
Yes, ma'am.
So equation 1 become y is equal to, what is yc we got? c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Correct? Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Plus yp you write in x by 4. So there is a 1 mark to substitute yc and yp. If you miss after finding yc and yp, if you left that as it is, means you are going to lose 1 marks. There is a 1 mark to substitute yc and yp. Okay. Plus 3 power x divided by log 3 whole square plus minus 4. This will be a